This is insane. That's the road where the dollar store is. It's flooded out. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully another car comes through. This thing's floating down the road. The creek is roaring. Pretty much the creek is like a river, and the road up there is like the creek. It's insane. Here comes an RV. That's how deep it is. That water's going right down into the creek too. See how high the wall is? There's a parking lot right over here. In between those trees there. All the water's just going right down in the creek from it. I'm half tempted to just go out and record. I'm up here in my bedroom just looking out the window with the window open. I'm completely out of cigarettes. Apparently I ain't going nowhere. Adjust myself here. Oh, there's a gas can floating down the road. It's just floating down the road. That is insane. It's like a 10-gallon plastic gas tank. I'm waiting for another car to come through to show you how deep that really is over there on the road. I'm actually gonna go for a walk in this. Hopefully not ruin my camera. And show you how deep that really is over there. I'm gonna take a walk over there. And hopefully not get swept away by it. The creek sounds like a river. Come on guys, you know you want to try and dare that water. There was like a Chevy Lumen I went through earlier and it looked like it was just gonna get stuck up there. It's starting to rain harder again. This is crazy. It'd be great if we had an umbrella. There's the creek again. Actually, I'm shaking. Oh, the rain's starting to blow this way. It's pretty nuts. Shall I go take a trip?